Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this episode of Logging In, I will be showing you how you can log out Gmail account from other device or any other device. Now for that you need to open your Gmail on the web browser. So open a browser and in the search bar you go type in gmail.com and press enter. Here you are directed to the Gmail official web page. You click on sign in on the top right corner. Now here you provide the email address of your Gmail account. Click on next, type in the password, click on next, and here you are at the inbox section of your Gmail. Once you're at the inbox page, you need to scroll down to the very bottom of your screen, and there on the right side of your screen on the bottom, there you will see the last account activity, that is 6 hours ago. Just below you will see the option of details. You click on that. Now this will show you all the information about the last activity on your mail, whether that is where you have logged in or from which device you have logged in. Now here you just click on security checkup. This will direct you to the page of your account security check. Here on your first option you can see the devices that you have logged in into your account. Now you just click on drop down menu and there you can see there are 3 devices from which you have logged in into your account. So here you can see there's a phone. Now here if you tap on 3 dotted lines and then click on sign out, your Gmail account will get logged out from the mobile device. Similarly with the Windows, here you can see the 3 dotted lines. You click on that and there you click on sign out and you will get signed out from your account. As I'm just showing you the tutorial, I will not be signing out from my account. Here I'm just showing you that if you click on sign out, you will get signed out from your account. This is how easily you can sign out from the other devices for the Gmail account. Hope this video was useful on how you can log out Gmail on another device. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.